Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 48. And in this video we're gonna write a script that search for open ports using Shodan library. So let me just first read the question, that is, write a Python script that takes a list of IP addresses as an input and uses the Shodan API to determine which ports are open on each IP address. The script should print a list of IP addresses and their open ports. So let's see how we can write this script. Okay, so I have already created a file. Let me connect to the internet. First, let's go to shodan.io. You have to create an account, okay? So I have already logged in, and you have to click on account, and here is our API key. Let me copy it. Your API key will be different, huh? And as you guys know, we have to import the Shodan library, and you can install this library by using pip install Shodan. You have to write this command. I have already installed this, so the requirement is already satisfied. Okay, so let's create a variable that is API key, and we have to write our API key here. Okay, let's initialize the Shodan API object. We'll use API equal to Shodan. We know how to initialize the object API key. After that, let's loop through each IP address in the list. We'll use for IP in IPs. We'll use a try-catch statement for that. Results equal to API.host IP. Okay, searching for the specified IP address with the help of our host method. Now let's print open ports for %s %ip. We know the % symbol is used for string formatting in Python, string representation of an object. Okay, after that we'll use for port in results, and after that we have to print the ports. Okay, let's get out of the try block, and we'll use except Shodan API error as E, and we'll print the error %s %e. Here we have to create an IP list variable equal to, and we have to ask the input from the user because we want the IP address from the user. So we'll write enter a list of IP addresses separated by comma, and we'll use IP s equal to IP list dot split. Okay, we're gonna split the IP address by comma. So this is gonna be our script. Let's go to the Shodan and let's search for Apache, and let's copy the IP address, comma, and copy the other IP address. So I'm gonna use these two IP address for checking our script. So let's run our script. Enter a list of IP addresses separated by comma. Okay, so let's check. Open ports for this IP address, port 8025.443 is open, and for this IP address these are the ports open. Okay, cool. So this is how you can search for open ports using Shodan library. Just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.